So today's video is about a freelance platform where you can earn money in your free time. And so if you're a fresher, you are a college going student, or you are a housewife, this platform is for you. You can earn money in your free time. So if you're not having any kind of experience, you can still check out the details. This is the website, and this is a freelance platform where you can earn money as a tutor. This is not a traditional kind of tutoring job. Here you can connect with the student and you can solve their homework related problems. And also this is a great opportunity for people who are introverts and who are not comfortable like talking with student over phone calls or over like a video session. Here at Photo Study, you will just be providing solutions through text-based like chat, and you will be chatting with the student regarding the problem. What happens that the student used to post a photo of their problems, and accordingly the tutor used to provide a step-by-step solution for that problem, chat or text-based chat. So if you are a college going student and you wish to earn money in your free time or like as a side income, you can check out the details. And here you will just be required to take up like around a 10-minute session, and you can complete the job. You can provide the solution, and then you can get paid. You can earn money from around like $3 to $10 per hour. And the subjects that the company is currently offers include mainly mathematics and science subjects. So if you are an expert in trigonometry, algebra, or physics, chemistry, etc., you could be a good fit for this position. So if you're not having any kind of experience, or you're a fresher, you are a student, you are a housewife, you are a college going student, you can check out the details and you can apply for the job if that interests you. Based on your interest area, you can choose the subject, and you can. So this company offers a platform where students who are stuck with their homework related problems, they can get connected with the teacher, or with the teacher or an online expert, subject expert. They can chat with them for about like 2 to 10 minutes. So most of the sessions here are about 10 minutes. And if you're working as a tutor or as an expert, you can clarify the student's doubt, and then accordingly you can earn money. You can expect an earning of around $2 to $10 per hour, depending on the problem volume and how much you wish to work on the platform. So this is a great opportunity for people who are looking for some kind of flexible or side income kind of opportunities, or part-time kind of roles.